Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see investigate threats by using audit features in Microsoft 365 Defender and Microsoft Purview. Well, in this video and coming few videos, we'll examine how to search for audited activities using the Microsoft Purview Audit or UAL solution, including how to export, configure, and view the audit log records that were retrieved from an audit log search. So let me give you a brief explanation or introduction to threat investigation with Unified Audit Log or UAL. Well, thousands of user and admin activities performed in Microsoft 365 services and solutions are captured, recorded, and retained in the Unified Audit Log or UAL. Audit records for these events are searchable using the Microsoft Purview or Microsoft 365 Defender portal audit search, or by using the Microsoft Exchange Policy and Compliance Audit PowerShell commandlets. Microsoft Purview provides two auditing solutions, Audit Standard and Audit Premium. We'll talk about Microsoft Purview Audit Standard, and the next video we'll try to cover Microsoft Purview Audit Premium. So we'll see how to search for audited activities using the Audit Standard solution. You have to learn a little bit how to set up Audit Standard, and then once you have configured Audit Standard, you will explore it more or learn it more how to search for audited activities using the audit search tool in the Microsoft Purview compliance portal. You can also see how to view the search results. You will also learn how to export the search results to a CSV file that can be searched, sorted, and filtered using Microsoft Excel. Now take this scenario that you are a security operation analyst working at a company that is implementing Microsoft Purview and Microsoft 365 Defender solutions. You need to understand how to search the Unified Audit Log to find and investigate threats and to conduct forensic investigations. After completing and learning about threat investigation with Unified Audit Log, you will be able to describe the differences between standard and premium audit, and then you will use the Unified Audit Log to recording user and admin activities and so on and so forth. Now, if you want to explore more about Microsoft Purview audit solutions, Microsoft Purview auditing solutions provide an integrated solutions to help organizations effectively respond to security events, forensic investigations, internal investigations, compliance obligations. So let me show you the two Microsoft Purview auditing solution image so that I can tell you the differences, or then we can read more about it. Now, if you see here, right, on the left hand side you see Audit Standard, on the right hand side you see Audit Premium, and then if you talk about Audit Standard, it provides organizations with the ability to log and search for audited activities. It also enables an organization to power its forensic, IT, compliance, and legal investigations. So this is enabled by default. Then there are thousands of searchable audit events we can look for because it provides wide range of audited activities that can occur in most of the Microsoft 365 services in an organization. Audit search tool in the Microsoft Purview compliance portal. So we can use the audit log search tool in the Microsoft Purview compliance portal to search for audit records. Let me just show you that. Alright, so I am logged on to the portal, and if you would under solutions, if you would click on audit, from here we can search for specific activities, activities performed by specific users, activities that occurred within a date range. Alright, and then you can also search for Unified Audit Log commandlet in the Exchange Online PowerShell module for audit events or to use in a script. We can also export audit records to a CSV file. We can access to audit logs via Office 365 Management Activity API. We have a 90-day audit log retention. And now if you see Audit Premium, Audit Premium builds on the capabilities of Audit Standard by providing audit log retention policies, longer retention of audit records, high value crucial events, and higher bandwidth access to the Office 365 Management Activity API. It has audit log retention policies which enables organizations to create customized customized audit log retention policies to retain audit records for up to 1 year and up to 10 years for users with required add-on licenses. It has longer retentions of audit records. Audit records for all the other activities are retained for 90 days by default, and we can retain Exchange, SharePoint, and Azure Active Directory audit records for 1 year by default. High value, crucial audit premium events. So audit records for crucial events can help an organization conduct forensic and compliance investigations. It has higher bandwidth to the Office 365 Management Activity API. So if I show you the comparison of key capabilities, now if you see the comparison, what is enabled by default, what is not, and what all features that we discussed. All right. Now there are certain steps that you have to take into consideration when you want to implement Microsoft Purview Audit, or if you want to enable it for the organization. That we will cover up in the coming videos. I hope this was informational for all of you. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.